Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I run a moms group for moms who are going through a divorce. These moms have been divorced for a period of time. They've really done some of the hardest parts of the separation. And what they continue to meet about is to work on how they're going to continue to run their families, be emotionally stable and stabilizing to their kids, and continuing to work on themselves and their life and their vision of how they want to raise their families, deal with life after their kids have left, and also continue to deal with the other parent. It's really challenging if you've had a major transition in your life that really involves a part of your life staying the same, like raising kids. Moms tend to be the emotional center of a family, and so there is an attempt for them to try to actually self-sacrifice instead of invest in themselves and kind of go off and do their own thing. So a lot of times moms feel like they're left kind of holding the emotional baggage of the family, and they really work on trying to maintain sort of a stabilizing routine for the family system. This can be kind of challenging because the other parent also is a really important figure in the kid's life. And so there needs to be some balance and some concession and collaboration with this parent, which often can upset the healing cycle that the mom is in to try to heal themselves in their life. So if a few years have gone by, there is still an adaptation and a working on the vision of how do you want to raise your kids? How do you want to develop yourself? How do you want to create yourself in a new relationship without sacrificing anything anymore? Trying to find a way of having more balance and more confidence in this new vision of family. So if that sounds like it fits for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you're just starting to go through a separation or even contemplating one, I have groups that are in much earlier phases of this process. So please reach out to me for that information as well. I hope you found this helpful, and I'm here to support you.